Hello viewers, once again welcome back to Mom's Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare chicken biryani. So let's see the ingredients. So I have taken 8 roughly chopped onions, 1 spoon green chili and 1 cup of curd. Also 6 tomatoes roughly chopped, and I have taken 1 cup of ginger garlic paste, 1 lemon juice, and this is dry coconut powder. If you want to skip it, you can also skip. And I have taken 1 bowl of mint and 1 bowl of coriander leaf. So for 1 kg rice I have taken 2 kg chicken, 1 kg basmati rice I have washed it and kept aside. I don't want to soak it. So in a pan I am adding 1 spoon ghee and 2 spoon of oil. After the oil is heated, I am adding garam masalas. Now add onions and fry them until they get to a brown color. Now I'm adding salt here. You can add salt to taste. Why I'm adding salt in onion? Because it will get cooked soon. Add ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, and mix it well. Now add the tomatoes. Let's add some spices. 2 spoon of coriander powder, a small spoon of turmeric, also add mint leaf and coriander leaf. Cook all these ingredients for about 5 to 8 minutes on a high flame. After that we can add chicken. Mix it well. Now I am adding 1 cup of curd. Also add the lemon juice. Some more spices I'm going to add here. This is red chili powder of 2 spoon, and 2 spoon biryani masala. Now I'm also adding the scrambled and roasted coconut. You can just try this will give you a good taste. That's all for chicken gravy. We have to just close it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to offer rice on gas. Remember to offer rice only when you're done preparing the chicken gravy, because basmati rice get cooks very soon. Add salt to taste and garam masala, 1 spoon oil. The water is started boiling. I'm adding rice in it. Looks like this vessel is very small for me. I have to change it. All the rice is not going to cook in it. So I'm so sorry. I have changed it now. So let the rice to boil. I'm squeezing half lemon here, which prevents rice from sticking together. The rice doesn't have to be cooked too much. You can see rice in the video. This is how it should be. The rice and chicken is well cooked now. That is what we can see here. We have so much of gravy left over in the chicken. That is what we don't have to boil the rice too much. So let's do the layering. My mom is adding some mint leaves and some coriander leaves, and you can also add green chilies. I don't have green chilies left in my kitchen, so I didn't add it. Guys, I forgot to mention here that the gas is off now. During this process the gas has to be put on off. Once you finish with all this process you can on it and have to keep it for about 5 minutes on high flame. Later it has to be there for 20 minutes on low flame. Finally on the top layer we are adding garam masala. Now cover it with a clean cotton shawl, or if you have cotton towel, whatever. If you have clean cloth of cotton, you can just cover it with it just to avoid the air to go out. And keep some weight on it. That's all viewers, we are done with finally with our chicken biryani today. Hope you all enjoy this video and hope you learned how to prepare biryani. Maybe you know the biryani how to prepare, but this time something different you learned, I guess. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to Mom's Recipes. Thank you so much. I'll keep updating new videos in future with your support. Thank you so much once again. Kindly do subscribe, share and like my video. Till then that, take care of yourself, your family with good and delicious food from Mom's Recipes. Thank you.